Welcome to this session. In this session, we will cover file handling in Python. So let's see what is file handling in Python. So let's check it out. So why we need files? So why we need files, that here you can see that files, it store the data permanently, but variable defined in Python program store the data temporarily. So in this case, we need a data in such a format which store data permanently. So that is file actually. So working with files means that like we want to delete, update, read and write data in file, and deleting whole file and updating, creating a new file is not considered as file handling in Python. And deleting whole file and creating a new file is a part of OS system, OS library. So I will cover OS as well. So file handling is nothing but deleting, updating, reading, writing data in file. So now I think you understood that what is file handling actually. So, so here the is a definition. File handling. A file is container in computer system which store data permanently. So a file store the data permanently, but a variable defined in a Python program does not store the data permanently. It stores data temporarily. Like we create here, I am creating is equal to 5. So now we check what is A. A is now 5. If I restart this Python file, like here, I am restarting this file. So restarting and clear all output, sorry. So what will happen that, so as here you can see, let's once execute. Now here you can see I am now executing. I have cleared all the outputs. So now I am executing A. So you can see now name is not defined. It doesn't stored. So why it doesn't stored? Because variable defined under Python is actually temporary, not it is exist forever. It is exist when it is actually running. After restarting, it will erase all the data from memory. But is file will store the data permanently. Like say that I have a text file. So this text file will be available forever until you do not delete it. Even after you restart your computer, it will not delete your data in the available in the file. So that's why we need file. So why we need file? Because we want data to be stored permanently, not temporary. Like you want to assign order number to all purchase. So in this case, if you define like this, A is per first, order number is order number is 0, and then one customer came, so you will assign 0 order number, then you will assign 1 order number. But after restarting this program, it will erase all the data and again order will be assigning to 0, and order number again order number 0 assigned to a customer. So I we don't want that same order number assigned to be to a customer. So this is one example where we can use file handling as well. And also to modifying the file and to edit the file, we use file handling. Like we want to edit a video file, so many video editor are written in this Python language to handle a file. So Now I think you understood that what is file handling, why we need file handling. So type of file. So there are two type of file. First is text file and second is binary file. So what is text file? File that readable by human, like text file, Excel file and CSV file. These are readable by these can be these can be readable by human. But for binary file, it does not readable by human. Like image file, video file and sound file, it does not readable by human. In this, in this data are being stored in binary format. So that is why we call it binary file. So we will see what is binary file as in detail as well. Why we call image as binary file, because it store data, each pixel intensities in binary format in the disk, and video file have same characteristic and sound file also have same characteristics. So now I think you understood what are the file of type of files, and so what we can do with file. So to do anything with file, we just need to open the file. Like you, if you want to edit a file, a text file, so we regularly we have to open the file that. So here to to do with something with file, for this we first step is to open the file and do something. So to open the file, there is open keyword. In open keyword, in this open keyword we pass file path, then it will open the file. After doing all the operations on file, we should remember to close the file. Otherwise, RAM and memory will be in use, which is not elegant or which is not good for our disk, for our memory to consume the mem memory without use. So to close the file, we use close, and in this we pass file path to close a file. So these are the how we open and close the file, and why we should remember to close the file. So in this you understood that why we have to close the file, and why we have to open the file, and why we have to close the file. So kind of operations on file. So there are three type of operations. First one is read, second one is write, and third one is append the file. What is read the file? Like you have a text file and you want to read all the content in a file. So like in text file it is written hello. So you want to read all the content in this file. So just so it so for this you just need to read the file. To write the file, if you want to add something, not add, you want to erase previous data and overwrite new data, then it is called write operation. And append operation is, it will not erase old data, it will append append the data in old data. So there is difference between write and append. In write, it will erase all data and write new data in file. And in append, it will not erase all that old data. It will append the new content in this file, in the file. So this is the kind of operations we can perform on file. So I think this is enough for this video. We will see you in next one, and we will see that how we can open a file and close a file. So thanks for watching this video.